Well, here's a neat little two-stroke engine off of a Homelite Bandit weed eater. I was trying to check out the magneto and I guess I broke the shaft, so I decided why not keep the engine. It's a perfectly good little two-stroke engine. It's kind of neat. I'm going to have to set my camera down real quick just to start it. It fires right off. It's pretty quiet little thing too. Got the throttle grip hooked up. The rev is pretty good. As you can probably tell. Got a little drive shaft down in there. I'll probably attach something to it so I can run it. So there you go.